Well, it was another crushing session for both wallets and spirits. The Dow Jones Industrial Average down over 1,000 points, 4.2%. S&P 500 down 100 points, almost 4%. NASDAQ down 275 points, 3.9%. So the big question now is, when does the selling stop and when will this market reach a bottom? You know, it actually recalls one of the more famous scientific axioms. A body at rest will remain at rest unless an outside force acts on it, and a body in motion at a constant velocity will remain in motion in a straight line unless acted upon by an outside force. Of course, that's Newton's first law of motion. Now, the contributing factors to today's sell-off included a spike in fear causing panic and some forced selling to make up for those big portfolio losses. So remember last Friday, that sell-off, I had a lot of investors asking mostly, hey, what do I buy? But now many are sort of spying the exits and ready to sort of chalk this whole thing up to personal bad luck. You know, a line that you always hear, every time I get in the market, it goes down. At the start of the year, when record amounts of cash came pouring into the stock market, individual investor confidence spiked. It hit 60% bullishness, this according to the American Association of Individual Investors. Now, that number is at 37%, and more than likely it could actually go under 30% next time they update this next week. So I continue to say that a large part of the selling is due to, scared individuals right now being scared out of this market. And, well, it's really working, you know, and I think some of it has been deliberate. And of course, the people who are forcing this to happen are like the Wharton and Cool Hand Luke. They're kind of saying, hey, now you got your mind right. I don't want to single out individual investors, though, because the masters of the universe, they were very giddy, too. In fact, according to State Street Investor Confidence Index, the world's, quote, sophisticated investors became very optimistic last month. So it's really optimism on both sides, but they shake out what they call the weaker hands. And I don't want you to be one of those weaker hands who just got in this market and gets shaken out. But there is a problem, and that's margin calls. They're starting to get there. And margin calls, well, they begat margin calls. In fact, on the New York Stock Exchange, margin debt hit tops in 3 of the last 4 market pullbacks. So we can see from this chart that it's gone up a lot. As these margin calls come in, it's going to put a lot of pressure on people to sell their winners to make up for the losers. Now, there's still lots of investors asking, when should they buy this market? And they're looking at the charts to provide something of a roadmap. And I can tell you, when the market starts plunging like this, charts really aren't that useful. Normally they're pretty good at pinpointing bottoms, but when it's haywire like this, it's tough. I will say, for me, tomorrow, certainly tomorrow, for the Dow, I'd like to see 23,600 hold if we get down to that level. But more importantly are your upside levels. That's when the investors should consider using the chart to build positions. And the big upside number, for me, the big test begins at 25,000 for the Dow. A close above 25,200 would make me an aggressive buyer. And by the way, I wanted to share some names with you tonight, but I'm going to hold off. I've got a list. It's growing. I'm very confident. I'll put that on my website. In the meantime, after the bell, we saw some former hot stocks just come out of the ash heap, which has been a trend this week, right, with strong earnings. Remember, Snapchat and Twitter had great reactions to earnings. Well, right now, FireEye, a name I used to pound the table on, looking really strong. NVIDIA also posting really great numbers, amazing numbers, and they expect much better guidance. AIG missed. Here's the thing, though. Initial selling was curbed by management's comments, and then there's Activision, which offered an extraordinary guidance for the current quarter, well above Wall Street estimates. So this is all really developing into an amazing place where we are right now, and it's an amazing chance to make money. And I know you're afraid, and I know many may become even more afraid, but the more afraid you become, the greater the opportunity. Again, make sure you get my commentary at wstreet.com. We're soon at a place where you should be buying and maybe come out of the foxhole.